Okay, we are here at a commercial facility in Philadelphia, and we are sanitizing. We have our steamer, so basically sterilizing everything for germs, but then obviously right now we have the coronavirus, so this basically gets up to almost 300 degrees, so it'll sanitize the arms and the all the hard surfaces where people are going to be walking and stepping. And then we came over with another product that we use that sanitizes and kills germs pretty much within 30 seconds of contact. So we're kind of doing both. And then the legs, this is very good for the legs and hard surfaces. So that's basically it. So this facility, we also do the VCT strip and wax and the carpet. Any of your daycares or schools or commercial facilities, let us, we also fog. We're not doing that here, but we usually have the fogging antimicrobial, and we'll hit all the surfaces. We'll hit the lights, everything. It'll just permeate through and hit everything, and then you have respirators. So if you need anything done like that, like I said, check us out. We do all commercial and residential restoration, hard surfaces, soft surfaces, restoring them, sanitizing them, especially right now with all the germs and everything going on. Let us come in and sanitize your facility. We do the janitorial. We do everything. You can visit us at www.navescleaning.com, 610-405-2147. Thank you.